Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I filmed a video on basically like my hair transformation and how I blow dry it, because on my last Instagram post, the same one that is going to be in the thumbnail, I got so many questions on how I blow dry my hair. But once I filmed it, I realized I did not do an intro or an outro. So I just wanted to tell you guys that I'm going to be doing a video on every single step, on every single product that I use to get that finishing touch of the blow drying, and like everything that I do, how I do it. So we can get right into the video. But first I wanted to say, click the bell button, follow me on Instagram, that's where I really post the most content. Subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, please like it. And also comment other videos that you want me to post, whether it's how I do my everyday makeup, how I curl my hair, etc. The products that I use, which I will be showing in this video, and everything will be in the description below, as well as the website where to get it. So go watch.
Okay, so the first thing that I do is I go in with the smoothing shampoo, and I just use a dime size amount. And I go in one time, I smooth it into my hands, and then I just start washing my hair, and I do this twice. So I go in with the Monat Replenish Mask, and I just put this all around my hair. I love the way it smells, and I don't use too much, again a dime size amount. And I really focus on the top of my hair where my baby hairs are, and I also focus on my ends, and I just rub it through. I massage it into my scalp, and I also comb it all the way throughout. I'll add a little bit more to my ends, as you can see. And as soon as I put this in, my hair is extremely soft, and I barely have to comb it out. It's super smooth. I use a wet hairbrush. That's personally my favorite. It gets my knots out super easily while I'm in the shower. And I do this to my whole head. So when I'm ready to tie my hair up, I use coil hair ties because they don't pull on your hair, and they also prevent damage. So I've stopped using regular hair ties, and I just use those. So I go in with the Be Balanced cleanser. I really like this cleanser because it's good for combination skin. It's foamy, and I use it 2 times. One to just get all the germs out and the makeup, and then to just make sure my skin's super clean. So one of the most popular products that Monat has is their oil intensive, and you can use this on your skin and on your hair. I always use it on my skin, but I did my skincare off camera, and I'm just going to dot it all into my scalp, and this prevents like dry scalp. There's 100 different uses. I'll link everything down below so you guys can see how beneficial this is. So now I finally got out of the shower. I'm just massaging my scalp with the oil intensive, and then I'm going in with the intense repair treatment, and I really focus on the really important parts of my hair that are super bleached. This really helps intense repair your hair, especially if it's blonde, especially if it's bleached, and it really works wonders. As you can see, I really don't have a split end in sight. It's great for my hair, and it really makes my hair soft and bouncy for when I blow dry it, which I really enjoy. I put that all around my head, and then I'm going in with the split end mender. This has saved my life. As you can see, it's almost done. That's the travel size. I actually upgraded to getting the normal size. So I just put in 2 little squirts of that, and I focus on all my ends. I do have a lot of layers in my hair, so I'll go in with each layer and really make sure that I get my hair super polished. So after I use the split end mender, I go in with the blowout cream. I personally love this cream. I've been using it for months and it has not even left a dent. You really don't need that much. All these products are super concentrated, which is great. So you really get your money's worth. And I just put, again, a dime size amount, and I work that all into my hair. It really protects it from blow drying, especially if you have blonde hair, bleached hair, or just damaged. You want to protect your hair from getting split ends or just getting damaged in general. This is a great cream to use just to have protection. And I just split my hair up in different pieces, and then I will end up wrapping it up in a hair clip and start blow drying. So when I filmed this, my hair was really wet. Sometimes I wait for it to air dry just for a few seconds or a few minutes. But my hair's super wet in this, so it does take a little bit long to dry. So I did go off camera and start to dry it, but I will show you soon how I do it. I work it in and I work it out. So when I blow dry my hair, I'll do it in and out, and that's what creates the volume. So I did the whole back of my hair just off camera because it really does take a long time for me because my hair is super thick. But as you can see, it's super bouncy. And I will show you guys now the front of my hair and how I do it because it's a lot easier to just show you that rather than showing you the whole process because it is very repetitive and my hair is super thick. So my hair takes about an hour to an hour and a half on a good day to do. So I just go in and I go in and out the whole entire time. So you'll definitely see how that is done. And it's really just managing your hair, seeing how you want it, messing around with it, playing with it. I'll do some pieces in and I won't like how it looks, so then I'll do it out. So it's really just a preference type of thing. But as you can see, all the products that I used prior to blow drying my hair really helps it. 1, stay voluminous. 2, you don't see split ends. It doesn't look really, like bleached. Like it's not like, oh, like she killed her hair. It does definitely look super healthy. And I feel like these products that I've used from this skin and hair care line have really helped keep my hair super fresh and my skin feeling really nice as well. So I'll just let you guys see the rest of this process and enjoy. So now I'm going to start focusing on the front of my hair. So I'm going to use the Rejuvenate oil but in a mist form, and I really like this because it's more lightweight and it won't make my hair look greasy or anything in the front, so I really like that. And I really have to focus on the front of my hair because I do have wavy hair in the front and it's really hard to get it to be straight, or when I blow dry it for my curls to not come out. So I have to focus on this part, and I also have to hydrate it the most. So after I do that, I just start to blow dry it like so, and you guys can see the process of that. So then I'm going to go my curling iron. I have the Conair curling iron. I also have the Hot Tools one, but that's just the one that I had on me at the moment. And just to give extra volume, I go in really in the front pieces and I curl it, and I kind of do the same motions that I would do if I was blow drying my hair, but with the curling iron. And I just kind of mess around with the pieces and manipulate my hair to make the most voluminous type of styling. And at first it does look really voluminous, and some people like a more flatter look, so this probably wouldn't be the best for you. But after a while, just keep in mind that your hair will fall a little bit, and then it'll fall into like a nice place that you'll like. So once I finish curling my hair and curling all the front pieces and I like the way it looks, I'll go in again with the Rejuvenique oil in the mist form, and I'll just spray all over my ends, and I'll spray it into my hands and I'll work it in until it gets warm, and I will just continue to do it all around my hair until I like how it looks. It'll be more shiny, it'll tame my hair, and it will keep it looking nice and fresh. So once I let my hair sit for a few minutes, I actually wanted to be able to manipulate it to go front or to the side, and the way I curled it prior, it really could only go to the side. So I did switch around the curls a little bit. Sometimes this is just a work in progress. So I just continued to curl it until I really liked the way it looked when it fell, and I'll just show you what I did here.
30 hertz straight up.
So as you can see, I changed up my hair a little bit, and I really like the way this looked. So now I'm just showing you guys. I also do my hair up a lot in clips, and I really like to do this as well because it gives me a lot of volume when I put my hair in a clip, and it looks really cute. Just if you don't want your hair in your face, if you want to be on the go, but you still want to look nice and presentable. So this is just a different look, and that's it.
So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Give me a thumbs up again if you really liked it, and I will be coming out with more videos on the way. With this quarantine happening, I'll have more content for you guys, so DM me if you have any questions. I'll have my Instagram right here, and I'll also put it in the description as well with my link. And lastly, thank you guys for watching. Peace.